Today we're starting this journey on this video, freshwater. Where are we gonna be using a Cinco Texas rig? We're gonna be using a worm and also show them, babe. Little crappie jigs. That's all we're gonna be using. We're right here at Buffalo Run Park right now. Beautiful weather. Try to see if we can catch some bass. Stay tuned. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
We're already hooked up, boys. First cast on the little crappie jig. That's a bass right there. Let's see that. Yep. It's a nice little chunk. It's kind of hard to flip it right here because I have an ultralight, so it's gonna be kind of hard. Whee, man. That's a nice chunk on the fall. Wow, first cast. Now check that out. I'll get you some right now. Nice bass. That's the money shot right there. Let me get that picture. Damn, the first cast. Ain't that some nice stuff? Oh. Alright, we're gonna release this little fella. You found them? No. They're on the... Oh no, babe, what did you put on? They're on the red box. Here we go, guys. Nice chunk. Catch and release. You think the gulp will work here? You know how there be some mini gulps?
Yeah.
And the holes will work here. Oh, we got one, boys. Oh, it's a baby. It's wearing the bass lake. You want to talk about? Look at that. Ooh, that action. That bass action. Ooh, ooh. It's barely hooked. We're gonna try to flip him. There he goes. Careful, man. These folks have a little bass. Oh, he got unhooked, but then he got hooked again. See that? Number 2 on the other side of the bridge. Catch and release. Belly flop. Hey guys, we're hooked up into a bass, but we're on this pier, as you can see. I'm not sure if this ultralight gonna be able to flip it. Let's try it. Oh. Fuck it, we're cranking it in.
It's dead.
You guys have it. Little bad. Nice chunk. Nice chunk. It's hooked up real good. He wasn't going now, you know. I see that. Catch one. Catch one. Release him on this.
So I can catch it.
Those little bass. Look at this beautiful dog. Subscribe. Cut. Right there. Oh, just got another one, boys. What is this? We got us a little bluegill. Little bluegill. There, right there, folks. That's a bluegill. They're like the little perchies. Pick it up, show it to the camera, baby. This is the same as the perches from Galveston. Just be careful with the spines on top. Now check that out. Oh! Throw it back in the water. Nice little bluegill. Look at those colors. Check those colors out. Boop. There it goes. They're ambushed on these holes right here. It's a little. got something, boys. Another bass. Ooh, man. Bass after bass after bass. They're like right on that hole. Look at that. Right? Look at that. Nice chunk. Hey, you check your line, it looks like it's frayed. Just skinny little fellas. Like right here, look. Right here. Hit the dock.
Yeah.
You saw that?
Yeah.
The skills right there. Oh, got one.
Are you going?
Yeah, boy. Got one right on the edge. You see that? On camera. And we got it, boys. He's recording too.
It is?
Hell yeah. Got it right on the fall. Told you. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good bass. Look at that. That's a good bass. Oh, yeah. On that fall. God. You thought I was playing, huh?
Yeah.
I was targeting these little bass. He was right on the edge. Get this hook out. There you folks have it. Subscribe. Thank you. Bass. Dang, he finishing off the day. This beautiful day with my keeper right there. Caught a couple of bass, lost count, one bluegill. Now check that out. Yeah, can you see because of the bridge? But it's gorgeous out here. Still got plenty of daylight, but we got dehydrated. Had to head out. If you like some freshwater videos, check them out. I'm aight at them. I'm not the best, but I'll still catch them.
I caught 0.
She caught 0, but she'll catch them next time. Caught all of them. Make sure to subscribe if y'all like this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, any questions. Yeah, stay tuned for more Texas Fishing Addict videos.